Hi children, how are you? Hope all are safe at home. Are you feeling bored due to COVID-19 holidays? Okay, let's have some fun with English. So, today I am going to tell you one story. Before starting the story, I would like to ask one question to you all. Children, do you help your grandparents or parents at home? Yes? So what kind of help you will do for them? Tell me. What kind of help you will do? Yeah, you can fill water bottles. Yes. Or you can do your all works on your own, like taking bath, dressing up yourself, taking your food and all. Yes or no? See, if you do all your things on your own, it will be a big help for your parents. They'll feel very happy that our children are doing on their own. Yes. So why I am asking this now? So here in our story also, it's a story of a grandmother and a grandson. So what did they do together? Let's have a look into our story. So today's our story name is Amachi's Amazing Machine. Amachi's Amazing Machine. So what is Amachi here? What is Amachi here? Do you know? Yeah. See, usually we call our grandmother like Amama, Nanama, Nani, Mama or something like that. So in this story, the grandmother name is Amachi. What is the grandmother name? Amachi. So this story about a grandmother and a grandson. So what is the grandson name here then? His name is Suraj. What is the boy name? Suraj. Okay. So let's see what happened in the story. I'll read the story for you and you listen carefully and I'll explain to you that one. Amachi, can we make coconut burfi today? Suraj asked his grandmother, please. So this boy went to his grandmother and asked, Amachi, can we make a coconut burfi today? So what is that you want to make? Burfi. Yeah, it's nothing but a sweet made up of coconut burfi. He's asking grandmother, please Amachi, can you make coconut burfi for me today? See, when you want something to be done in your favor, you will also please your parents, not like that, please, please. So like that, this boy also asked his grandmother. Hey, only if you help me make it, replied Amaji. Yay, shouted Suraj. So grandmother said, yeah, I'll make it for you, but only if you help me, then only I can make it, she said. He said, hey, hooray. He was very excited to listen to that. Amaji is going to make burfi for him. Suraj and Amaji went out in the garden where there were many coconut trees. They made an amazing machine to pick coconuts. So here is one more new word is amazing. So they both went outside into the garden where there were many coconuts. But the coconut tree will be very tall. Then how can these two can pluck the coconuts? So they both made an amazing machine. Amazing means which is very good or great. They made one amazing machine to pluck the coconuts. They used Amachi's old saris and a pulley. See this pulley. They used Amachi's old sari and a pulley. See, pulley means it's a one kind of wheel which we use to fetch water from the well. In villages we use most. Nowadays we got all bore wells and all, so we don't use much. So I'll show you the picture of pulley here. See, this is pulley. See, if you see the picture you can remember. Yes. So with the help of pulley they made an amazing machine. Then Amachi put a helmet on her head. Up on the swing she went. Okay. Helmet, one more new word for me. See, usually you know this, what is helmet? Yes, What is helmet? You know what is helmet? Helmet means it's a thing what we wear on the head to protect our head while driving bike and all. Yes, we use that when we drive on the bike, helmet to protect our head. Yes, so she wore a helmet and she was sitting on the swing and said, "Ready?" She asked. Yes, ready, ready? Yes, ready, she said. And ready, said Amachi. Swoosh! Went up Amachi on the swing as Suraj worked the pulley. So Suraj pulled the pulley like this with the help of rope. She's sitting on a swing. So when the Suraj pulled that rope, Amachi went up to the tree like this. See, she was sitting on the swing here. And when Suraj pulled this rope, she went up to the top of the tree. Okay. We will only pick up the ripe ones. Okay. Then the one that are all brown all over. Watch out. Here they come. Whoosh. So Amachi said, we will only pick the ripe ones which will be in brown in color. So that if you make barfi with that brown color ones, it will give good taste. So she said, only we'll pick up that brown ones. Here they come. See, here in this, Amachi went up to the tree. Yes, Amachi went up to the tree. So she's plucking the coconuts and she's throwing down. See, they arranged the saris like a slide. So she's throwing all the coconuts on the sari. They're coming down, rolling down and coming down like this. All the coconuts. Hey, it's a very innovative idea, no? See how great they both are. They made an amazing machine. Very good. Whoosh came the coconuts rolling down the slide made of saris. Onwards to the amazing husk remover machine. So they are rolling down and coming to the husk removing machine. Husk means the hard shell part of the coconut. పైన గట్టిగా ఉంటుంది కదా, పీచు తీస్తాం కదా, that is called husk. So till that machine they came down. Now get the husk off. Poch, crack. So see here in this story here, they both are using this husk removing machine and removing the husk from the coconut. Suraj's stomach went grrr. So Suraj, when he's pulling that like that, his stomach made sound, grrr sound it made. Amachi giggled. What it is? Giggled. Means she got laugh by hearing that sound. See, when Suraj's stomach made sound like that, Amaji is laughing. She was laughing. Yes. So when his stomach made grrr sound, she started giggled. Means she laughed. So this is the story for today. Okay. So I wrote here few words which are new to you. Okay. So you also learn. I'll give you these words as worksheets. I'll send you in WhatsApp group. Okay. So you make practice them. Okay, children. And today I'm going to give you one task for you. Like so. I asked initially before starting the story that what help you do to your parents. So I want each one of you to write what help you will do at home to your parents. Will you write? Yes. Everybody write what help you will do to your parents and send me in WhatsApp groups. Okay, children? We'll continue the story in the next session. Okay? Stay home, stay safe, children. Thank you. Bye.